Welcome, I'm Monhar from Math Teacher Institute, and I'm going to blow your mind. I've already proven to you that 0.9 repeating is equal to 1, and if you haven't seen it, make sure you go to our YouTube channel and check it out. Today, I'm going to prove something just a little different to you. Today, I'm going to prove to you that 0 equals 1. Let's go. We're going to start by saying x equals 1. Very simple. And as you know, we can subtract from both sides of the equation without changing the value. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides to get x minus 1 equals 0. Similarly, we can multiply both sides of the equation by something without changing the value. So we're going to multiply by x, giving us x times the quantity x minus 1 equals x times 0. Of course, x times 0 is just 0, so we can simplify our equation to say x times the quantity x minus 1 equals 0. Last step. Now we're going to divide both sides of the equation by x minus 1. On the left side, the x minus 1's will cancel, leaving us with just a 1 times the x. On the right side, 0 divided by anything is 0. So we have x equals 0. Wait, our first statement was x equals 1. Now we found that x equals 0. So guess what? 0 equals 1. We did it! Amazing. Proved it. I told you we'd blow your mind. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks. Wait, what? Oh, you're not convinced. Oh, okay. No problem. How many Ferraris do you have? 0. Is that the same thing as 1? How many cheetah pets do you have? 0? Is that the same thing as 1? No. I tricked you. This is not a real proof like our 0.9 repeating equals 1 was. This is a false proof. I've tricked you somewhere. Alright, spoiler alert, here comes the solution. Look back at the fourth step in our solution, where I divided both sides by x minus 1. Now look up 2 steps. What does x minus 1 equal? Well, x minus 1 equals 0. Are we allowed to divide by 0? No, of course not. And this is where I tricked you. By dividing by 0, by breaking that fundamental rule of math, I allowed myself to come up with almost any solution I wanted. That's where the false proof comes in, by dividing by 0. And of course then, I can show you that 0 equals 1, or 1 equals 2, or 10 equals 50 if I want. This is a great example of a problem you can use in your class to demonstrate why we cannot divide by 0. We spend so much time telling our students, you can't divide by 0, you can't divide by 0, it's undefined, but we don't ever show them what happens if you divide by 0. Why can't we divide by 0? So this shows your students that if you divide by 0, you arrive at an answer that makes absolutely no sense, that 0 equals 1. And a great example of why that concept doesn't work. This is a great idea to be used in many different levels of math class. Share with your colleagues and comment below how you might use this problem to teach your students in your class. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then head over to mathteacherinstitute.com to sign up for more free resources.